We are pleased to show you the 2020 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, wheel covers, FWD, 4-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.